Good morning. Today we are again continuing with the gap filling activity that we are doing. We have done a few examples. We will continue to do the same and become more familiar with some of the activities. When you are finding a confusion, please read the sentence again and again. You will get a clarity. As far as possible, don't give two answers. It is always the habit when we are doing practice, we will give a dash, slash. For example, if the answer is most and many, you try to give a slash and write. As far as possible, this is a practice session which you are doing for the purpose of examination. Whether we are able to do such things again, we don't know. So when we are doing, we need, that's why I am going very slowly. Think a lot. Options, read the options again and again. Read the passage again. Fill in and again connect it and read. So such exercises only make you more efficient in using the appropriate words. Okay. See here. Next question. In affluent middle class household, children and adults spend dash time in front of the TV, computer or with video games, dash on physically active tasks. So the beginning of the bulge now dash at a dash younger age. Physical exercise is dash valuable. Look at the options that are given for the first one. Most, more. This I think most of you will write it correctly. Some, all. In that one confusion is already there before you. Two words are coming very clear. The second option is there, then, than, there. The next options given are begins, begun, begin, beginning. D is much, more, many, few. Okay. Too much, nicely, very, less. Can you try? Yes, please try the answers and I will read the answers that are appropriate in those columns. Please note down the questions. The options may not be required. You write the question, put the dash, a little bit lengthy. If it is, because if you make a mistake, you can strike it out and write the correct word there. So you can give a lengthy dash for the fill in. And you write the questions. That is always very good. Before the paper, you can even go through all these things and find out the and make it as a practice session before the exam. Shall we see the answers? Yes. We'll read the question. Along with that, we'll see the appropriate answer. Clear? In affluent middle class household, children and adults spend more time in front of the TV, computer or with video games than on physical, THAN, than, okay, not THEN, THAN, than on physically active tasks. What happens, no, this and than is second and third, children get guessed, they will do the wrong answer. Many would have done now. That is why repeatedly I am telling why I am going so slow, because this is exercise. I have exercise practice session, so you can make mistakes, you can correct them. But if you do this practice properly, it will be too helpful for you in the examination. Okay. So than on physically active task. So the battle of the bulge now begins at a D. much younger age. Okay. Physical exercise is very valuable. Okay. Can you write the answers and check it out whether you have done it correctly? You were able to get the right answers? Yes. Shall we go to the next question? Doesn't matter, we go slowly, but whatever you learn it properly. Learn it perfectly. If you are confused here, it will never be clear. Okay? See the next question. Please read along with me itself. You read, no problem. You read along with me. We dash living in a world dash every girl wants to be a diva and every boy dash to be called a dude. Today, your social acceptance is measured by your friends list dash a social networking site. But true friend is one dash helps you in need. A very beautiful meaning, is it not? Most of us here today tell only how many like friends like. Okay, but who is a true friend is the one who understands you and who stands with you at the time of need. Okay, so can you start writing the answers? Let's see the options. 1 is, are, where, had. The second one is by, that, where and the. The third option is desire, desires, desiring, desired. Okay, in, on, at, for. The fifth one is which, that, who and some. Find out which one suits very close to the test. Yes. Yes. Shall we go to the answers now? Yes. Now you have to read, you try to do the same thing along with me so that it will be clear for you when you are doing succeeding work. Start. We dash. We are living in a world. What? W-H-E-R-E. Where? W-H-E-R-E. Where every girl wants to be a diva and every boy desires. Desired, desiring, no. Desire, no. Every boy so desires. Okay. To be called a dude. Here boy, here is each and every boy. Girl refers to each and every girl. Okay. Today, your social acceptance is measured by your friends list. Okay. Where? On a social networking site. On a. At a, no, in a, for a, on a social networking site. But two friends is one who, I think this is all right. The true friend is one who helps you in need. This thing, I think this one everybody would have written correctly. Hello? This is a bit easier. Yes. So, you can find out the place. Most of the, I think in this the mistake would have been desire. Desire, desires, desiring, desired. That place you would have got little confused. Doesn't matter. You have tried and taken into consideration. Yes, you can strike it out and write the correct answer. Now, shall we go to the next question? Yes. The modern student dash the importance dash physical exercise. He spends 1 to 2 hours in the open air. Dash he takes part of the different sports. However, care should dash not to overstrain the body. Okay. Can you try this answer for the next class and come? Huh? We will do the other exercises. Okay. You could note down and try it. We will do the answers in the next class. Clear? Thank you, children.